Probably one of the biggest issues with trying to decide what console to get is knowing that if half your friends have an Xbox, half of them have a PlayStation, if you get one, you're not going to be able to play with the others. Until now. Microsoft recently announced that they will now be willing to let developers connect their games to other console networks and PC. So that means that you will not only be able to possibly play Xbox games with people on PC, but also on PlayStation. The announcement doesn't specifically mention PlayStation, but it says other console networks and PC networks, so it's pretty obvious that they're referring to PlayStation, but also any other network. This is not automatically backwards compatible. This would require the developer to code it into new games or theoretically code it into previous games and do an update. They're basically just saying, yeah, if you want, you can have your games play in other networks. It's not like they're just flipping a switch and it connects to everyone. The first game that does support this is Rocket League. I believe they're going to be connecting the Windows version to Xbox, and we're waiting on Sony for their side to be able to connect it to any PlayStation, and that's one of the other issues. Even though Microsoft is allowing this connection, obviously Sony has to do it on their side, and they haven't yet done that. Microsoft simply extended the invitation, say, hey, if you want to connect your users, we'll let you do it. And Sony responded, they said there might be policy issues and business issues that could get in the way, but they'd be willing to look at it. Obviously, that kind of makes sense if they have different privacy policies. If one is transmitting voice, for example, and they have a different privacy policy with voice, then that could be an issue, so they would have to sort that out before it's finalized. This is kind of an interesting move with Microsoft. I'm actually surprised that they did it. It could be the fact that PlayStation is outselling Xbox, so maybe they want to get more players in and give you more incentive to buy an Xbox, say, oh, well, I want an Xbox, but all my friends have a PS4, then, you don't have less incentive to buy an Xbox. It also means that if you're playing online with a less popular game, there's going to be more players to play with, which would be great for everyone on both sides. So this isn't final, but I think it would happen. I mean, the ball's already rolling. Microsoft already put it out there, and if they're going to be using it with PC and Xbox, then I think it's only a matter of time before Sony kind of says, all right, yeah, our players could benefit from this. You'd think, maybe not, but it definitely would be great for everybody. So that's pretty much all my thoughts. If you guys have any of your own, be sure to let us know in the comments section. We'll be continuing this discussion down there. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so I know you liked it. If you guys want to support me, I have a video about how you can shop on Amazon using my affiliate code. Doesn't cost you anything, but helps me out. I have a video right here talking about it. If you guys want to continue watching, I've got some other videos on the right-hand side. You can just click those or look in the description for the same link, like if you're on a phone. And if you want to subscribe, I make new videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you next time. Have a good one.